In Wayanad, the rain feels alive. Each drop falls softly on the leaves, creating a calming rhythm that blends with the sounds of birds, rustling trees, and far off waterfalls. It's as if nature here speaks in its own gentle language, reminding us to slow down and listen. But Wayanad has faced tough times. The landslides that hit this beautiful district left deep wounds, taking lives and changing so much. Yet, just like nature always does, Wayanad is healing. Its forests are growing back, its people are rebuilding, and the beauty of the land is returning stronger than ever. Staying at Wild Planet Resort made my trip even more special. Surrounded by nature, the resort gave me the perfect mix of comfort and peace, making it easier to take in all the wonders of Wayanad. Here, the rain doesn't just fall, it brings life, hope, and a promise that no matter what, things can get better.